Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is Fatma Osman. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and welcome to my YouTube channel. I usually make videos each and every Saturday and Tuesday, inshallah. If you're new here, please subscribe, hit the notification bell icon, like, share, comment down below. You know the drill. Without further ado, let's get into the lesson. Greeting lesson part 2. Somali and English with Miss Fatma. Maanta waxaan baranaynaa Ingiriiska iyo af Soomaali isku tafsiirayo. Barasho wanaagsan. Barasho wanaagsan means nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Subax wanaagsan. Subax wanaagsan means good morning. Good morning. Now you say it. Now we go ahead to the next part of the lesson. Hadda waxaan galaynaa qaybtii labaad oo lessonka. Galab wanaagsan. Galab wanaagsan means good afternoon. Good afternoon. Habeen wanaagsan. Habeen wanaagsan means good night. Good night. Nabad geliyo. Nabad geliyo or mac salama. Mac salama means goodbye. Goodbye. So we have come to the end of this video. I will be posting my next video this coming Saturday, inshallah. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment down below. Asxaabta waxaan iga baryayaa inaad dadka u faa'iideysiin, u share gareysiin, dadka u dira comment-ka ka bixiya, fikradooyinkiina ka bixiya. Sabtida soo socoto baan videogay cusub casharka dambe soo gelin doona inshallah. Fi amaanillah, hay mac salaama.